Nay, tail.
Ah!
You good, bro?
I'm fine.
Well, what you working on there, pal?
Well, glad you asked. Oh, with these three objects, I can create something crazy cool. I'm trying to make like this weird thing. It's like a mixture of, what do you say? It's like your very own, like little buddy. Little buddy, I've already got mine. Hey, but it's alright. Watch. You see, now it's just this old thing. I know it seems like rubbish, but check it out. I call them Boobot and Screwbot.
Boobot and Screwbot?
A Boobot and Screwbot. A Boobot and Screwbot. Do a Boobot and Screwbot. I do a do bot do.
That's pretty cool, Tails. What do they do?
Nothing really. They're just, decorations.
Yeah, I see.
Whoa! I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Alright, Tails. What's up, Screwbot? Boobot?
Hey, Scribble Knot got up.
It's alright, buddy.
Who's a cute little Scribble? Who's a cute...
Huh? Wait, Squibbly, it was a joke. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Do we have a problem, Squibblenut? Not you too, Boobot! Ah, crap.
Well, I'm back from the bath.
God damn!
Ah, that's it!
Get out! You corrupted!
My bad, Sonic. Didn't know I was gonna do that.
Yeah, it's alright, bud. On the bright side, at least it works, and it can be a self-defense mechanism, huh?
It's one way to look at it.
Come on, let's go get some ice cream. What the? What's an air freshener doing on the floor? There we go. What the heck?